with You Made That, and today I have my son Jake with me again.
Hello, good to be back.
Yeah, check out our other videos we've made. We did a card one that he helped with the voiceover, and we did that wool felting hedgehog one. So
Yeah, little
I'll
fluffy
link
guy.
those. I'll link those two in the in the end credits. There we go, and you can check those out. But otherwise, we appreciate you tuning into this one. I made a video, a crafting video, and Jake has no idea what it looks like in the end or what it is. So he's going to help me with this voiceover, and it'll be a surprise for him.
Yeah, it's always fun to see what kind of thing it will be and how it gets formed. So I'm excited.
Right. This one you might find a little familiar. So.
Oh.
That's all I'm going to say about that.
No,
okay, here we go.
My creations. Okay.
Well.
Oh, it's house. Lawn Fawn. I recognize that right away. Whenever I don't know what to get mom for a holiday or birthday, it's a Lawn Fawn gift card. So.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Right. So this is a super cute little log cabin die.
Looks very familiar. I'm in Minneapolis, so everyone's got cabin weekend for the 4th of July. Keep telling me about that. Okay, so we are arranging all our pieces on black paper and then redoing it on brown paper. Oh, okay.
That's just how I store them on magnetic sheets. But this is the brown paper that I'm cutting the cabin out of.
Thought you changed your mind to brown. And then you stick it in a thing. I don't know what it cut it out. Oh, that's like your die press. So it cuts it out in this brown. Oh, look at that. That's sweet. And the door opens. Wow.
Super cute.
Yeah. Got the motion control. Oh, and the chimney. Okay, so you cut everything out.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah, that's my Gemini Junior die cutting machine. It's my favorite. Yes. So some of the pieces would look better out of different colors of paper.
Yeah, you don't want it to just all be brown or it won't look as cute and unique. So you can personalize it by changing the colors right at the start. It's nice.
Yeah, and some of the dies are really small, so you got to be careful you don't lose those.
Does the tape ever gum up your die cutter?
No, because it's sandwiched.
Oh.
So, yeah, see.
So it smushes it.
Yeah, you put a cutting plate on top, so.
Yeah. Look at that, Biz. It's cool. So you get all your little cutouts, and then you arrange them on the grid paper, which I've seen that before.
Yeah.
Chimney and the roof and the door, and you make like a little... I feel like there's got to be some nature-y scene with cute animals coming next.
And that little piece at the bottom, that's like you could stamp a sentiment, and it's a little sign.
Is that a bell? Oh, it's a light.
Yeah. Yeah. I like the light above it. Distressed.
I'm in distress. That's how you paint and get like the little shading and texture and stuff.
Yeah, I didn't want them just flat brown, so I wanted to add a little, spruce them up a little bit.
I like the color name, Gathered Twigs.
Yeah, and aged mahogany.
Mahogany. That is what gathered twigs would look like. Okay, so we're painting up the cabin. Hey, that piece of paper you're doing it on is its own piece of art at the end.
It really is. Yeah. Aren't you glad I sped it all up, or we'd be here for hours?
Yeah, it's nice. I like that these are sped up. It makes it easier to get to the next event, all the action. Ooh, the door frame is separate, and then you can still open the door. That's nice.
I know, right?
Oh, look at you go with that tiny little glue and little windows. That is so small. I can't.
I know. I like this stuff. This stuff is just fun.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a puzzle. and I like puzzles.
I was just watching a video on YouTube about building movie miniatures, and this is something you could have done.
Wow,
Tiny
I
set.
missed my calling.
Yeah. All right. Then you got yellow for the inside of the house, or like the light, and that well lit doorway.
Yeah, someone's home. It's not all dark inside, so there's lights on.
A welcoming cabin.
Yeah.
I like that better.
So, what do you think the critters are that I'm going to be adding?
Oh yeah, I'm definitely. I was gonna say expecting like a fox, a raccoon, a bear, all the classics. Okay, so you got bears, like a little fat guy, a sleeping guy. Those are
Yeah,
cool.
this is a Lawn Fawn set called Den Sweet Den.
Dens.
And
Oh, home sweet home.
yeah, there's even a little sentiment that says Den Sweet Den, but I didn't use it. And then Lawn Fawn Jet Black ink. I kind of goobed a little bit there, so I'm going to do it again.
Good.
But I really didn't have to because I'm going to be cutting them out anyway, so I don't know what I was.
Yeah, I don't see any difference between them. You are more of a critic of yourself than other people are. They look the same to me.
True. So the mama bear or the bear can hold stuff. So I stamped a little book.
Oh, okay. I thought he was just like fat rubbing his tummy, but that's.
I was going to color them brown, but then there would be too much brown, so I grabbed all my gray markers.
Whoa. Those are all gray.
Those are all gray.
Oh
And
my.
I didn't show the coloring part because it's just whatever. So now I'm fussy cutting them out.
Okay, well now I know not to buy you any more gray markers ever again.
Well, yeah, no, I have a lot of gray. There's other colors. I have a hodgepodge of Copic markers too. I have lots of different brands, but
I'm gonna get you to cut out my 3D printed figures from now on. That is perfect cutting.
Aw. Well, you make it so there's not a little white line around by taking another, yeah, and doing the edges.
You just color in the white extra. Wow, that's smart. I would not have thought to do that. I would have
I
tried
didn't
to.
make it up. Yeah, I learned it too.
Oh, he's coming in. He's sitting right on your doorstep.
Yeah.
What are you? Now you're dissecting him like sixth
Okay,
grade.
if I would have bought the dies that go with the set cuts so that she can hold stuff, but I don't have the dies. So
cool. Now the book's 3D.
yeah.
Wow. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
She's
like your wife. She likes to read books.
Yep, my wife is reading by the pool right now. Okay. Oh, and you got a nice little evening sky picked out. It's a nighttime cabin. Ah, and that's why the lights are so important to read by. This is a cool arrangement.
Thank you. Water plus perfect pearls.
What is a perfect pearl?
It's a powder that makes it shiny.
Oh, like stars.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
So I mix it with water and the acrylic paint. Yep. And then you just flick it.
Yeah. And you're just smacking it into your hand.
Yeah.
That looks fun. I want to do that.
Okay.
Oh.
And I have to clean up after because I got a little too excited and didn't put some
everywhere. You distressed your oxide.
Splatters on everywhere.
Nice. All right, here comes the bushes or the tree line or something like that. And
well, the grass, the ground. So I'm going to stamp the sentiment on it.
Ah, very, can't read it. Very good. Have a very Corey day. Why can't I read that? Cozy. Oh, okay.
That's pretty good.
That is good. I need new contacts.
Put in the stamparatus. Use the magic powder bag.
I like how you have animal parts on the rest of your paper. Is like a bird tail or a hand or something sticking all around. That's funny. Have
So
a
I
berry.
stamped it in Versamark, which is a sticky clear ink.
Ah,
Because what am I going to do? What is this?
it's gonna shine, glittery. Oh, or be white. Oh, and then you heat emboss. I know that word.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah,
That's,
the magic powder bag makes it so that the white embossing powder doesn't stick everywhere onto the green. It will only stick where I stamped the words.
clever.
I didn't
Ah,
make it up, but it is clever, yeah.
well, I'm still gonna say it. I'll give you credit regardless because I don't know where it comes from.
Okay.
Now you glue everything together, arrange it how you want.
Yep.
Little baby bear.
Okay, this is a foam tape, and I've had it for a long. It's going to pop everything up because I wanted dimension and I wanted some shadows.
Make your house thick, not like a flat, lifeless
Right.
house.
Yeah. It's alive.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow,
And
and you
there's a
film it
couple
all.
ways you can pop it up, but I use the foam tape, and it's really hard to peel off this red stuff. So,
Oh gosh, and you cut it into a million pieces, so it doesn't all come off together.
yeah, and the red stuff sticks to your fingers, so you're always going like this.
Wow, that is
And
a
then
lot of work.
these guys get their own foam tape, the little squares.
That's cool. I like that. This is a fat card.
It is.
Really gives it some weight and a presence in your house.
Yeah. I haven't sent it to anybody yet. I
Oh.
might keep it.
I like it. It's a cool one.
Why, thank you.
Have a very cozy day and you're reading the book. I like it. That's cute.
But I'm not done yet.
Ah.
I thought that it looked a little too brown on brown. So I get out this little brush that Christina gave me, and it's so small you can like paint with it, kind of.
Good job, Christina.
Yeah.
Ah, so now you put the depth and the shadows on the wood. Yeah, because that brown, just that one flat color. This is
Yeah.
helping a lot.
I mean, I should have done it first, but at the end it was like, no, it needs more zhuzhing up.
Zhuzhing.
That's better.
There it is. That looks good.
Thank you.
I like that. What kind
Yeah.
of bears are those? Grizzly
Grizzlies. No, I don't know.
bear.
Hey, there we go. That's the end of my video.
Oh wow. Okay. I like that one. I like the thickness of the card. So it's more of like you notice it and it pops out in the room.
Substantial.
Use
Yeah.
a lot of new techniques too, which I hope everyone can try their next time making a card like this. Give it a shot. See if you like the foam tape and stuff.
Yeah. See,
So.
next time you and Casey are here and you need to make a card, you might want that die to play with because it's super fun.
I might actually volunteer to do it instead of sit and watch.
That would be a good video. But okay.
Yeah. I don't usually like to make a nice normal card. If I do get the chance, I will turn it into a monster made of various animal parts and things that mom doesn't approve of. But
yeah, Jake one time made a card for his brother for his birthday, and he took my stamps and made this big robot out of lots of little animals, and it was like
awesome.
very creative.
It was great. Yeah. Something that you don't expect when you see the stamp set that was used.
Yes. Very out of the box.
This is more of a presentable, nice card to have in your house. So.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
All
Very
right.
cool. I like it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Thanks. And thanks everybody for watching.
Yeah. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.